we will learn subtraction of integers. And to learn about subtraction, first thing you should know about is additive inverse. So if sum of two integers is 0, one is additive inverse of another. We are talking about two integers. So let's take one example. If I am taking 2, this is my first integer. If I add minus 2, 2 plus minus 2, it will give, you have learned addition laws. Let's recall them. One positive integers, one negative integers. You always do subtraction. So 2 minus 2 gives me 0. So now sum of 2 and minus 2 is 0. So 2 is additive inverse of minus 2 and minus 2 is additive inverse of 2. So we can write 2 is additive inverse of minus 2 and minus 2 is additive inverse of 2. I am repeating once again. Sum of two integers. I have taken sum. I have taken these two integers is 0. How I have got my 0? We have done addition laws in earlier video. One positive integer, one negative integer. When the signs are different, we always do subtraction. So 2 minus 2 gave me 0. And 0 doesn't have a plus and minus sign. It's neither positive nor negative. So we write 0. And what we can write? Now 2 is additive inverse of minus 2 and minus 2 is additive inverse of 2. This is written here. 1 is additive inverse of another. So once you are familiar with definition of additive inverse, now we can learn the subtraction. In subtraction, if a question is given like 2 minus 7, so what you have done your addition laws, so you will write 2 plus and this as minus 7. Now easily you can understand, so you can put this plus sign and now you can easily do it. One positive, one negative, so subtraction, and forget the signs. 7 is bigger but it has a minus sign, so answer will have a minus sign. So you can write, if a subtraction sum is given, subtraction of 2 minus 7 is actually 2 plus additive inverse of 7. Additive inverse of 7. You can go back to this thing. 2 plus additive inverse of 7 is minus 7. So you can find additive inverse. I have written here minus 7 and you get your answer as minus 5. Now let's see this on number line. This is positive integer. When nothing is written, it is actually plus 2. And this is minus 7. Plus means moving on right. Minus means moving towards left. So you can take a proper scale markings. I am taking 0, 1 centimeter from your scale you will mark 1 and 2. This will be -1, -2, -3, -4. This arrow means it can be extended. So I can extend it -5. After drawing a straight line and from your scale, your markings of 1 centimeter or half centimeter, but this should remain same. I have taken 1 unit from scale. Let's go back to the question. +2. Plus means moving towards right. So I start always from 0. We always start from 0. So this means +2. And now it is minus. So I have moved in this direction. Now minus means moving in left direction. How many steps? 7 steps. So we take 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And you have seen earlier also my answer was -5. So from number line also you got your answer as -5.